Have some new installments with this guy, the PowerBook now. As you can hear down there. It does not sound like a happy drive, because I'm guessing it's not. However, it did show up. And I don't think it's a USB drive. So once that little clocky thing goes away, we'll see what it says. Yeah, it does not sound very happy. It does have an operating system on it, though. I don't know if it's reading this, or if it's reading that. But it does not sound like a happy hard drive. I don't even know if it should be running like this right now. I'll give it a second. See if it does anything. Yeah, you do not sound happy. Alright, I'll be back when this loading thing goes away. Okay, so we're back. We'll see if this thing boots. It didn't sound very good at all. It's probably suicidal, but it recognizes the drive, so. We'll come back when something comes